Good afternoon from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name is Tom. Today I'm going to give you a quick look at this 1975 Norton Commando 850. We're very fortunate to have this bike. We actually took it in on trade for one of our Royal Enfield Interceptor models. It's not so often that you find such a clean example of one of these bikes. They're very sought after, and this one's in exceptional condition, really. It has been through our detail shop, done some basic work to it. All the chrome is in excellent shape. No pitting of any kind, no rust. See, the has got a larger fuel tank than the standard. It is the Commando 850 with electric start. See, there's your control setup right here. Kill switch, start button. There's your gauge cluster. See, it is showing 17,713 miles. The seat is in fantastic condition. This leather is looking perfect. There's no wrinkles, no tears, no stains. You can see even the Norton script looks perfect. Kind of a common theme on this bike. The suspension's in great shape. No pitting on the wheels or exhaust setup. Chain driven. See the chain cover, even the chain cover is polished, looking brand new. See here is really cool caliper design. Not something I'm too accustomed to seeing on a bike, but it really does look cool. You got rear and front discs here, and it's the same design over on the front. There you are. See the engine. Minimal oil staining, barely anything. This engine is pretty spectacular for this year and this vintage bike. So you have the fuel shut off, you have your choke lever here, just behind the carb. See, it's not wet, it's not oily. All the metal is in great shape, the covers, the shifter. The exhaust has that really cool heat treated look. I've always been a big fan. See the Lucas Electrics badges on all the lighting instruments as well. See it behind the turn signal, Lucas. So here in a second I'm going to start this bike up. And hear what an old bike sounds like here. So let's click on the ignition. Kill switch off. And just electric start. Headlights on for you. This bike really sounds like no other. They just don't make them like this anymore. Well, we'd love for you to come check out this bike if you're interested. It's here at AlphaCars, New Hampshire. Got plenty of other cool inventory here. See our motorcycles indoors. Feel free to contact Mike or Rodolfo from sales if you're interested in this Norton. We'd be happy to hear from you. Thanks for your time. Come visit us here at AlphaCars, New Hampshire.